In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add credit to QuickBooks Invoices. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to have a QuickBooks account. If you haven't signed up yet, head over to QuickBooks and create your account. For those who already have an account, let's start by signing in. Once you're on the QuickBooks Online login page, enter your login details. Make sure to tick the "I'm not a robot" checkbox to verify your identity. After that, you'll click on the Continue button. Next up, enter your password. Once you've filled that in, hit Continue to move forward. Now, you'll need to choose the company file you want to work with. This is typically the business for which you wish to add credit to an invoice. Once you've selected the correct company file, you'll be directed to the QuickBooks dashboard. Let's navigate to the settings. From the dashboard, click on Settings at the top right of your screen. This action will lead you to the main menu where you coordinate your account settings. From here, you're going to click on the big plus Create button, which is often located at the top or in a visible section of the dashboard, depending on your navigation panel. Under the drop-down menu that appears, you'll find Credit Memo. Now that you've clicked Credit Memo, you'll be prompted to select a customer. This is where you choose the client who is supposed to receive the credit. Enter the necessary credit details, such as the credit amount, the product or service affected, and any relevant descriptions to ensure clarity. Once you've diligently filled out all the necessary information, it's crucial to save your changes. Click on Save and Close to finalize the memo creation. With the credit memo successfully saved, let's apply it to the customer's invoice. To open the customer's invoice, navigate to the Sales section and click on Customers. Choose the appropriate customer, then locate the unpaid invoice to which you want to apply the credit. It's crucial that this is the correct invoice to avoid discrepancies in the customer's records. Now click on Sales Transactions, followed by Invoices. You'll want to select the invoice to apply the credit we've just made. Applying the credit correctly ensures that your financial records remain balanced. Next, click on View Payment to check over the details one last time. Ensure everything looks correct before proceeding. Finally, once you've confirmed that all the information is accurate, click on Record and Close to complete the payment process. Congratulations, you've successfully added a credit to a QuickBooks invoice. This straightforward process can make managing your business finances significantly easier and help maintain accurate accounting records. With practice, you'll find navigating QuickBooks becoming second nature. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.